Wellcam detachable container houses are built with high-quality steel, using a modular structure that ensures strength, safety, and durability, even in the harshest environments. Each unit comes in a standard size of 3 by 5.9 meters, equipped with one door, 2 windows, and basic electricity and lighting. Installation is simple and fast, making it ideal for mining camps, oil and gas camps, construction sites, or temporary housing. With Wellcam, customization is limitless. You can choose dimensions, wall thickness, and finish, and add bathrooms, kitchens, or even complete furniture and appliances. This flexibility allows you to create comfortable living or working spaces that perfectly fit your needs. What sets Wellcam apart is our proven experience. For over 20 years, we have delivered more than 1,000 projects worldwide. We provide factory direct solutions, strict quality control, and the most cost-effective options on the market. Wellcam, your trusted partner in modular building, delivering faster, stronger, and smarter camp solutions across the globe.